of a shell, just minding my own way without even knowing what love and life were all about. Then you came, you brought me out of the shell, you gave the world to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you. You gave me the reason for my being, and I love what I feel. I love what I feel. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing, and it all began when I met you. May minamahal, bawat taong may damdamin ay may minamahal. Tulad mo at tulad ko, nakadama sa isa't isa ng pag-ibig. Kaya't habang may pag-asa kayo, humanap ng pag-ibig na totoo, sakalang liligaya. Kung mayroon ng tunay na minamahal, I'll never say goodbye. There are no reasons why our souls are so entwined. There is us, not you and I. Our friends will soon regretting we once met, because we'll show them all with the love we can walk tall, and we will never say, ever say goodbye. Para sa akin, ngunit iba pa rin ang nangyari. Walang tatalo sa lahat ng dinanas ko. Pagnanais na ika'y mapasa aking muli at hindi magbabago ang gusto ng puso ko. Wala nang hahanapin pa, hindi pag-ibig mo. May hiwagang natanto mula sa una pang tagpo. Mananatili ito, mananatili ito, mananatili ito, at hindi magbabago. Sayang sa buhay ko ang isang katulad mo. Ako rin ba'y iniibig mo? Hindi puso'y sumasamo, sinusumpa sa iyo. Ikaw ang tanging dalangin ko. Ang pag-ibig ko'y alay sa'yo lamang. Kung kaya giliw dapat mong malaman, minsan lang kitang iibigin, minsan lang kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan, dahil lang minsan ay mapakailanman.
Keep your fingers crossed for your bets as Miss Universe Mabuhay returns with tonight's special awards. Coming up, this Miss Universe...